So, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, we have a very, very special guest with us today. His name is Kipjan. He's 54 and he's from Manipur. And I was informed by the angel coach Sunita Bharioke that the health issues that he had was digestion disorders from more than 15 years, body pains and aches, low energy levels, overweight, right? Wanted to heal naturally and not increase health issues in future, and wanted to help others too. So joined goal to experience healing. Now he's also a diamond member and preparing to become a nutritionist. All digestion issues has been resolved. He feels energetic, lost for 3-4 kgs and helping others already. So congratulations Sunita, and congratulations Kipjan. I'll start from you Kipjan, and they'll come to the angel coach. So over to you, if you can please unmute yourself. Yes.
Yes, sir. Yeah. Good evening.
Hi, Kipjan. Good evening. Over to you. So, how has been your journey?
Yeah, I feel, excited actually when I get the good results, because earlier, whenever I get my pay, whenever I have some physical ailments, problems, no, I should go to allopathic doctor and get it cure everything. But it wouldn't work like that, when I was having acid reflux problem last 3-4 years, all kinds of rebeprazole ending with zol, so many zols, it doesn't work at all. But when I go on researching through medical journals, this and that, and when I cure myself, I should say, when I manage itself, or when I cure myself, then the naturopathy has something to do. So through Facebook and so many other things, I came to learn about this Go Nature. So I should attend this session. So I started doing, and so the result I have seen in my own daughter, my own brothers, they were cured from their. Even my brother was he was having pain in the urinary tract where he can't pass urine, and even some kidney stones. And as advised by Madam Sunita,
Wow.
and olive oil and everything, those things were done, and lemon juice, and then within 1.5 days, the stones comes out while passing urine. And then
The allopathic world will not believe this.
yeah, they won't believe it. And still, my brother still, how come this and this? They are still, not convinced properly also. No, this is the magic that naturopathy can. Then I told them, and even my own daughter, the doctor advised her, the allopathic doctor advised her, you should go for scrub typhus test, dengue test, typhoid test. No, I told them, no, you should not unnecessarily spend thousands and thousands of rupees. You do HIIT protocol, you will be all right in the evening. So she did it, and she all right. Doctor says that she won't, she will have fever again. But the fever doesn't come back. She was all right, and the next day she go for exam. My class 12 daughter.
Yeah, Kipjan, when I tell people that that you don't need a paracetamol and the fever will just vanish in 30-40 minutes, people actually laugh on us. But you are saying live over here means a lot. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Amazing. So I'll come to the angel coach Sunita. So Sunita, how has been your journey with Kipjan? And really amazing, the pan India that Go Nature is covering people from Manipur and Nepal, like wow. So over to you, Sunita. How has been the journey?
Yes. The journey with him was little interesting. Firstly, because on phone we were hardly able to understand each other because of the language. And so then we met on Zoom for that initial introductory call also, because otherwise I was not able to follow whatever I was saying and he could not follow what I was saying. And then when I gave him a list of all the tests and all to be done, he said in Manipur there is so much problem and so much unrest. I cannot get blood tests done. I can coconut water from there. So he had these issues because of his region. But one thing about him, he was very, very, very positive and very enthusiastic to learn and manage somehow. So we were able to help him treat his all the minor issues that he had. The stomach issues were the major thing. And he, of course, wanted to lose some weight, which he did. And rest, as he's already told you, he managed to get rid of kidney stone for his brother. And his
Yeah.
daughter told me she's unwell. They have been advised this test. I said no, just follow immune booster and heat protocol from your high workshop. Just so first he said, let me try whether she will be convinced or not. But she did. In second day she was fine. So and she went for her exams. So it was a very good journey, and he
Yes.
got more convinced, and the faith continues. So
Amazing.
Yeah.
Amazing.
for following
Now
everything.
my community, my students, and even my church also, I started speaking. "Arey, this he has to preach the gospel, but why he's speaking about health? No, I
Wow.
told them it's very important. When you know the thing, then you save money and you save your spiritual life. When you pray God and then you go to the allopathic doctor and get into trouble. So knowledge is important. I told them, and I convinced the church members also. In that way, they
Amazing.
were. Yeah.
And
Amazing.
he is a teacher, so he is convinced
Wow.
everyone,
Wow.
Yeah.
his colleagues, his community, his church, everywhere he is talking about us.
Okay.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah.
Kipjan, one message that you would give to all the viewers who are watching, that those who believe not 100% in naturopathy. So, any message for them?
You know, human body, when we hit at the right target, human body is so wise and so intelligent that it is ready to heal itself on its own when we give some help from outside. That's all, not from synthetic chemical drugs. That's what I want to say.
Amazing, amazing. Thank you so much, Kipjan, and thank you so much,
Hmm.
Sunita. So everybody just type MPTY for both of them. MPTY means more power to you. Amazing. Thank you so much for coming. Thank you so much for sharing.